So guys, look, I left home and I said, well, it is a wonderful day, and I just wanted to come out and have some fresh air. Just breathe in, breathe out. It's always good just to come out and take some time to, just clear your thoughts. And I think I tell you guys that all the time because so many, so much throughout the week we're inundated with so many different thoughts and the common thoughts down so that you yourself can have a sense of peace, a sense of refreshing, renewed strength, renewed hope, uh, renewed love, renewed joy. And it's here alone back here. I don't know if you guys can see that back there. The water is coming this way because the wind is blowing it. But guys, I'm telling you right now, it is always just a refreshing just to come and be right here by the lake, just living life, enjoying life, being refreshed, being renewed, being, having hope. I'm sorry to wipe my screen off again because the water is blowing. But look, whatever you have going on for today, I don't know where you are or what you're doing. Just, hey, take some time for you. Make sure that in life that each day that you have a moment just for you, just to be refreshed, a moment for you to clear your thoughts, a moment for you to do something that's positive for yourself, because so many people will pull on you, and I am one. Believe me, Serenity is one that many people pull on me, give me information, try to pull on me for information, and then ask for advice, ask for just some things in general. And when you're doing that constantly, it can take away some of your hope, your peace, your joy, some of your strength, some of your energy. So I come out here and I do these meditations, or I just come out here just to sit by a lake, just a fountain, just to hear the water just going, and it refreshes me, it renews me, it gives me strength, it gives me hope. So guys, look, take care of you. Make sure that you're doing something that's positive for you. Here I am right here walking back, by the lake, just being refreshed. I'm gonna turn my camera that way so you guys can see it. Make sure you're doing you. This is gonna concentrate just a few moments on this here.